Speed up your workflow with fixturemate 2.4. Packed with smart quality-of-life upgrades, it helps you work faster, align easier, and build better. Let's take a look. Aligning items in fixturemate is now a snap, literally. Intuitive snapping and guidelines make positioning supports, cutouts, clamps, and their mounting holes easier, reducing manual adjustments for a faster, more efficient workflow. Alignment lines match each axis, red for X, green for Y, and blue for Z, so you always know exactly where things line up. You can now adjust mounting hole parameters to fit a wider range of hardware, like Demler clamping pins. It's also simpler to adjust the base thickness of support and clamp mountings, making fixtures more reliable for large or heavy items. When subtracting workpieces, you can now set the removal direction using a gizmo or by manually entering an angle in the left menu to accommodate different assembly constraints. Left-clicking the center of the gizmo allows you to define a second removal direction, providing greater flexibility for complex fixtures with multiple workpieces. This update also fixes customer-reported bugs, improves performance, and introduces a sleek new dark mode to reduce eye strain in low-light environments. To start using fixturemate 2.4, just log in as usual. No downloads, no hassle. Thanks for watching.